What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today I'm going to talk about the TP-Link 5-port Gigabit desktop switch. We're going to do an unboxing here. It is the SG105 TL model, and this is a great unmanaged switch. So it does have features like a automatic switching and quality of service, built in, but it's not a full managed switch. You're not going to have a dashboard that you could log into and change anything. You're going to need a separate router for that. And then this is just an extension that basically turns one Ethernet cable to 4. You're not really going to have much control over the actual use of the switch itself. There isn't any special management features on that side, but that's actually good for my use because I simply want to bring my already existent router into another room, essentially by having one really long Ethernet cable to that room, and then now I have 4 ports that I can connect directly to it without losing speed through Wi-Fi. So let's go ahead and open up this box here with our handy dandy knife. The satisfying peel, and let's make sure we get rid of all that trash. So we'll go ahead and open this guy up. He opens up from the side. Had a little trouble opening it here. Nice recyclable packaging. That's nice to see. Very basic, not too many extras, which is nice. Sometimes you just have so much trash after unboxing and sometimes unnecessary waste. Small little instruction booklet. And then the device itself, right up in center. It feels nice. It's not super heavy. It's very small, but it is solid. It's metal, aluminum all the way around. So it feels really solid. This is fanless, so there's no moving parts in here, but it's a nice, a really nice feeling device. And it has everything you would need there, aside from maybe the secondary LEDs, but it does have the main LED. And some wall mount ports there as well. Very useful for wire management if you want to mount this under a desk or on a wall or in a cabinet. And then some pads if you want to have it just on your desk. Some rubber mounting pads. And finally, the power cord. Nothing special here. I'll zoom up close so you can see the replacement specs if you need them. 5 volts. And this is the cable at the end itself. And yeah, I'm going to use this for a while. I don't expect too much to review. I assume it's just going to work as expected. All the reviews are great, and it doesn't have too much to do. Thank you for watching, and when I say peace. What? You've never heard of Stream Savers? And you thought PewDiePie was the only YouTuber to make a game? I made a game too, and it's called Stream Savers, and it's available for pre-order right now for $9.99, and that's a great price.